Dates have a wide range of health and nutritional values, and therefore many say it is the healthiest fruits in the world. There is almost no disease for which dates cannot help. Dates are an excellent source of iron. Anemic patients should eat more dates, because they're an excellent source of iron. About 100 grams of dates contain about 0.90 milligrams of iron, which is about 11% of the recommended daily intake. Iron, as part of the hemoglobin in red blood cells, determines the oxygen carrying capacity in the blood. Most need of iron have children in puberty and pregnant women. Stops diarrhea. Dates contain potassium, which is useful in stopping diarrhea. Additionally, the dates helps the intestine flora quickly to recover. With regular consumption of dates, it is much easier for the intestines to create good bacteria. Natural remedy for constipation. Just like they stop diarrhea, the dates can help the food digest faster and easier. It is necessary to put few dates at night in clean water. Let them stay overnight, as they will release its juices, which is excellent laxative that stimulates the lazy bowels. Regulates body weight. Due to the large amount of nutrients, dates causes a feeling of satiety and help in the process of weight loss. If you eat dates on an empty stomach, it will regulate the work of the intestine, and the body will get the necessary sugar. Dates do not contain cholesterol, but have great amount of sugar, so be careful, because excessively consuming dates could result in weight gain. Will lower your cholesterol level. Dates have the ability to reduce the level of LDL, the bad cholesterol in the body. Therefore, this is a great food for people with high cholesterol. Consuming few dates a day will prevent the forming of fatty deposits in the arteries that lead to blood clots and other heart diseases. They will strengthen the heart. People with weak heart can use this amazing fruit for better health. Place a handful of dates with seed in water and let them soak overnight on room temperature. In the morning, take out the dates from the water and remove the seeds. Place the seeds in a blender along with the water and mix well. Consume few times during the day to strengthen your heart. Dates can lower high blood pressure. Dates are very suitable food for people suffering from high blood pressure. They contain very little sodium and are high in potassium. The standard serving of 5 or 6 dates gives about 80 milligrams of magnesium, an essential mineral that contributes to the expansion of blood vessels. Research shows that 370 milligrams of magnesium a day can lower blood pressure. Dates protect you against stroke. One of the key advantages of dates is their ability to regulate the operation of the nervous system, mainly because they are rich in potassium. Studies have shown that a bigger intake of potassium, 400 milligrams, may reduce the risk of stroke by 40%.